say, oops, I got 99 problems singing bye bye bye.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Princess, and for today's video I'm going to show you guys what it looks like inside this room that I'm always putting all my makeups, my books, all the stuff I needed whenever I wanted to film, or the books that I really love to read. And here it is. So basically guys, in this area where I put all my books, for now I put them here because I haven't buy any of a bookshelf. I have A Tale of Two Cities by Charles Dickens. There you go. And here are the ones that I already read. And I already finished this too. These are the To All the Boys I Loved Before and the P.S. I Still Love You. And I have the third book and I'm already in a halfway of it. And here in this area, these are the books that I just started but haven't finished yet. So almost. I think I'm almost done with this book because let me see this one. I think I'm almost done. Yep, I'm almost done. So that I can read the red one over here. This area, these are the books that I used to use in school, and some of them are related to like science and some physiology and art of Southern Asia. I have the ones that 5 love languages, boundaries in marriage. This I put all my lashes, some used lashes and some other lashes. And here on the second drawer I have my eye brushes, and then third, some face brush, and here are more of them, like a fluffy brushes. And here are my sponge, my blender sponges, like all mixed up, where I put my massage roller and then a fan whenever it's hot in here, or I need to fan the setting spray or a primer, and a scissor and other stuff in here. And here is one of my eyeshadow brushes from Shop Miss A. So let me open it for you guys. Here they are. So I just put them here. And here is my daily pouch, like daily makeup pouch. You guys can see I have the mirror in there. I have the ColourPop ones. I have this too right now. And then I do have a mirror here. And then on this side, this is how I store my Q-tips and my cotton balls. And here is my like skincare area. Is like my toner, my makeup remover, lotion over there. Let me see, like that. The pink jasmine, I'm just finishing it. And then my moisturizing cream. And here are the brushes and sponges, and curl eyelashes are dirty, so I need to clean them up. And then in this area, I put some of my lipsticks. You guys can see I have some of the NYX. These are the NYX ones. Maybelline. I do have Wet n Wild. I do have, what is this? I think this is Rimmel London. There's the Rimmel London also. And Sephora. And these are two identical ones. These are the NYX lingerie. And then next one, in this drawer I have of my, this is the glue, some of the glue that I use for my falsies. And here are my what do you call this, mascaras. I do have my NYX Worth the Hype. I haven't used it yet. I have these CoverGirl Super Sizer Fibers, and this one is the Appu My Little Mascara. I have the Voluminous Superstar X Fiber by L'Oreal. Here are my, what do you call this, eyebrows products. Influencer sent me this Kat Von D in taupe. This is the 24-hour, this is the Super Brow 24-hour pomade. I do an e.l.f. in here. I have the Maybelline right there, and I do have the LA Colors. I do have my favorite one. This is the e.l.f. taupe. This is the brow pencil. And then here I do have some of my liquid eyeliners. Drawer, I have all my blushes, highlighters, bronzer, highlighters, bronzer. You guys can see I have all mixed it up here. So next is this drawer. I have my pressed powder. I have my loose Fit Me powder here, the Maybelline one. I have the Earthspun. I have the Wet n Wild mattifying powder. I do have the HD what do you call this, Perfect Finish HD powder by e.l.f. I do have this one also here. I do have the primer, some primer, and here are some of my concealer. And then there's a blur one. I haven't used this one yet. And then concealer, LA Girl. And then I have the NARS here. I have the Korean product one, Maybelline. And this one is Eat Cosmetics, Maybelline, e.l.f. and Maybelline again, and Maybelline again. That's, I can't even. I have one more of the concealer by ColourPop. I have a primer here, LA Girl. I have NYX. I have Maybelline. And here are some of my eyelashes too, falsies that I use. Cologne, baby cologne, some perfume, my hair, my mousse, sunscreen, lotion, my hair leave-on, my, what do you call this, diffuser, and then just my accessories in this area. This on the second area, these are some of my stuff that I needed to do a try on, and some of my lips products. You can see I have here, and here, and then this side are all my setting spray. Then you guys can see here's are my foundation, my BB cream. Here they are, and then some of my lipsticks from ColourPop. You guys can see, and then my ColourPop Super Shock Shadows are here, and then the singles are over there too. In this area where I put all my filming stuff, you guys can see there's just a mess, and then a table here where I do some of my videos. Sometimes I sit on the floor. So here is where I put my stuff. More perfumes, lotions, some stuff, some accessories. My nail polish are there, and then this area were all my sheet masks. These are my sheet mask collections. So you guys can see, I have a lot. In this area, these are my empty ones that I'm going to do another review video. These are my next sheet masks that I'm going to use for the month of August. I'm going to show you guys this next week. And this container or drawer where I put some of my eyeshadows. These are my small eyeshadow palettes. I do have the, what's called this, Golden State of Mind. Hold on. And then I do have the All I See Is Magic by ColourPop, Double Entendre by ColourPop, Yes Please, Hello, Dream Street, the Femme Rosa, Semi Precious, the Take Me Home, and then some BH Cosmetics, some Wet n Wild, some stuff here, more Wet n Wild, and then Aftershock, Elf, and then next drawer to have more of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. I have the Take Me Back to Brazil, and then some of my this is the Rimmel London, the Revolution, Makeup Revolution, and then here is my Naked Palette Urban Decay, and then Retro Love by Bad Habit, some of my Gel Bounce eyeshadow palette. I have 2 of them. And then let me fix this one first. So, and then here I do have a contour and blush palette by BH Cosmetics. I have that one. You guys saw that one before. And some highlighter palettes here. Some Cookie contour powder palette, the e.l.f. Coffee and Cream Highlighter Duo by Hard Defensor. I have it here just in case I run out of the first one. And then I have the Nubian 2 by Juvia's Place. I have the Revolution Bronze Palette. I have Revolution palette here. I do have the Latina. The next one here are my new products too. These are my pouches and some new skincare products that I haven't used. I have more sponges here, more sponges, and then more lippies, more skincare products that I haven't used yet here. So that's it for you guys. I hope you like this one.